Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new tutorial, you'll get notified. So today we are going to learn another stitch. It's called a triple crochet. Yeah, so this is a tutorial for absolute beginners. So let's get into the video. So in this tutorial, I'm using hook size 3.0 millimeter, and this is a medium weight yarn. It's Winter King, a Kenyan brand. You can use any medium weight you have. Yeah. So first, make a slip knot. Then make a number of chains to start with. I'm going to chain 13. 11, 12, and 13. So these are 13 chains. You're going to skip the first 3 chains from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to the 4th with our hook. You first yarn over twice and insert your hook in the 4th stitch. Grab yarn, pull through. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So that is a triple crochet. The next one, yarn over twice, go into the next chain, grab yarn, pull through. You have 4 loops. Grab yarn, pull through the first 2. Grab yarn, pull through the next 2, and then the last 2. Next, yarn over twice, then grab yarn, pull through the first 2, the next 2, and the last 2. Next, you yarn over twice, go into the next chain, grab yarn. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, the next 2, and the last 2. So that is how you make a triple crochet. So we make the last triple crochet. Okay, and to begin a new row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then turn your work. So these first 3 chains that you're making, remember we skipped 3 chains and worked in the 4th chain, and here we are starting with 3 chains which count as our first stitch. So this is the first triple crochet. So yarn over twice and go into the next stitch. Since these 3 chains are attached to the first stitch, you're going to skip this and go into the next and make a triple crochet. So yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, and then the last 2. Yarn over twice, go into the next stitch and repeat that process to the end. So the difference between double crochet and triple crochet is that in double crochet we just yarn over once and then insert our hook in the next stitch to make a double crochet like this. But for the triple crochet, you first yarn over twice, 1, 2, and then insert your hook, you pull up a loop, you have 4 loops, then yarn over, pull through the first 2, then the next 2, and then the last 2. Okay, now we've come to the end of our row number 2, and before that we have 1 stitch remaining, which is the first 3 chains that we skipped. So we are going to work a triple crochet in the 3rd stitch. So yarn over twice and insert your hook in the 3rd chain. 1, 2. This is the 3rd chain. We're going to work a triple crochet there because these first 3 chains count as a stitch, like that. Okay, we begin the next row, chain 1, 2, and 3, then turn your work. As usual, you yarn over twice and go into the next stitch. Remember, we are not working in this first stitch because the chain 3 count as a stitch and they are attached to this first one. So we go into the next and make a triple crochet. Yarn over twice, go into the next, make a triple crochet, and you keep repeating this until you master the stitch. So it's very simple to work with, and you can repeat as many rows as possible. So when you get to the last stitch, we make our triple crochet in the 3rd chain. So 1, 2, and 3rd chain, make a triple crochet. Okay, so to begin the next row, chain 3, then turn your work and repeat the process. Yes, so that is how it looks like. Very beautiful, nice texture. Yeah, so if you haven't seen the previous tutorial on the basic stitches, that is the single crochet, the double crochet, and a half double crochet, please check in the description box. I'm going to leave the link to that so that you can watch and learn. Bye. I'll see you in the next tutorial.